Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare natural keratin at home using simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. If you've been struggling with dry, frizzy, or rough hair, this remedy is going to be a game changer. It will transform your hair from coarse and unmanageable to soft, smooth, and silky. And the best part? You'll see visible results from the very first use. So let's get started. First, we'll need white rice. Rice is packed with amino acids, vitamins, and starches that help nourish the hair, smooth the cuticle, and promote shine. Take about 4 tablespoons of white rice and put it into a saucepan. This amount is perfect for medium-length hair, but you can always adjust based on your hair length. Next, we're going to add 2 large cups of water to the saucepan. This will help cook the rice thoroughly and allow it to release all the good stuff that benefits your hair. Now, place the saucepan on the stove and let it cook. Keep the flame on medium heat, and remember to stir occasionally to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom. You want the rice to be well cooked and soft, so don't rush this part. The water should turn cloudy, and the rice will become tender. Once the rice is cooked properly, remove it from the heat and let it cool down just a little. You don't want it to be too hot when we blend it. After it's had a few minutes to cool, transfer the cooked rice into a blender. Blend it well until you get a smooth, creamy paste. This step is important because we're going for a consistency that will be easy to apply to the hair. Once you've got that creamy texture, you can filter the mixture through a fine strainer or cheesecloth to remove any rice residue or lumps. This will ensure your DIY keratin is smooth and easy to spread. Now it's time to move on to the next ingredient, cornstarch. Cornstarch adds thickness and smoothness to the treatment, and it also helps create a gel-like texture that coats the hair strands beautifully. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. To that, add half a cup of water and mix well until there are no lumps. The mixture should be smooth and free of clumps. Next, take the rice cream we prepared earlier and return it to a clean saucepan. Slowly pour in the cornstarch mixture while stirring constantly. Make sure the heat is on low and keep stirring without stopping. This is important because we want to avoid lumps and make sure everything blends together nicely. Stir for about 1 minute until the mixture thickens and turns into a creamy texture. Once the mixture has thickened to the right consistency, take it off the heat and transfer it to a bowl. Let it cool slightly before adding the oils. First, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for treating rough and dry hair. It penetrates deep into the strands and adds intense nourishment. Mix it in well. Next, add a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil adds shine, reduces frizz, and strengthens the hair. It's rich in antioxidants and perfect for repairing damaged strands. You can also add any other oil you prefer, like almond oil, argan oil, or castor oil. Mix everything together until the oils are well blended with the creamy base. And there you have it. Your natural keratin treatment is ready. Now let's talk about how to apply it for best results. First, divide your hair into several small sections. This makes it easier to apply the treatment evenly. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the mixture from the scalp all the way to the ends. Make sure each strand is well coated. Don't forget the back and the ends, where hair tends to be the driest. Once you've applied it to all parts of your hair, cover your head with a plastic wrap or a shower cap. This helps trap heat and allows the ingredients to really soak into the hair shaft. Leave this natural keratin on your hair for 1 full hour. During this time, just relax and let the mask do its magic. After 1 hour, rinse your hair as you normally would. You can use a mild shampoo if needed, or just rinse with water if your hair doesn't feel oily. And that's it! The result is smooth, silky, and soft hair that looks and feels like you've had a professional keratin treatment, without stepping into a salon or using any harsh chemicals. For best results, use this treatment 2 times a week. With regular use, your hair will become easier to manage, straighter, and shinier. I guarantee that with consistency, you'll fall in love with the results and won't feel the need for expensive salon treatments again. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. Really helps support the channel and allows me to bring more natural beauty tips your way. And if you try this keratin treatment, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY remedies and natural beauty care. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.